How your blood type can affect your health. First of all, heart disease. There is good news for all blood types. Research shows your risk of coronary heart disease tends to be lower. Experts are not sure why, so think it might be because other types are more likely to have higher cholesterol and higher amounts of a protein that's linked to clotting. Second, stomach cancer. A, B, and blood type B are more at risk than type O. Specifically, people with type A blood are more likely to get stomach cancer. Researchers think that this might be because H. pylori infections is more common in people with type A blood. That's bacteria that's usually found in the stomach. It can cause inflammation and ulcers. Third, memory. A small study showed that people with memory problems had type AB blood more than any other. Pancreatic cancer. Your risk is higher if you are type A, AB, or B. Molecules in type A and B red blood cells help certain bacteria called H. helicobacter H. pylori grow in your gut. It can make you more likely to get pancreatic cancer. According to stress boosts your body's level of cortisol. The stress hormone. People with type A blood tend to have more cortisol anyway, so you may have a harder time dealing malaria. Type O blood may help ward off these disease. You can get malaria when an infected mosquito bites you. The parasite that causes it has a harder time attaching itself to type O blood cells. Ulcers, peptic ulcers, painful open sores that curl up in the lining of your stomach or upper intestine seems to happen more often with blood type O. Blood clots, venous thromboembolism is when your blood clots in a deep vein, like the ones in your legs. These clots sometimes move to your lungs. Research shows that people with type A, B, or AB are at a higher risk of deep vein thrombosis. Lifespan chances are higher you will live longer if you have type O blood. Experts think your lowered risk of disease in your heart and blood vessels, cardiovascular disease, may be one reason for this. Fertility or blood type can't predict whether you will get pregnant, but it may play a role. In one study, women with low numbers of healthy eggs were more likely to have type O blood than any other type. More research is needed to figure out why. Diabetes. Type 2 diabetes seems to happen more often in people with blood type A and B. Experts aren't sure why. More research is needed. Stroke. Your risk for a stroke goes up if you have blood type AB. Doctors think that's because it's more likely to clot than other types. Later, we will ask ourselves, what does your blood type mean for your health?